and water.
Firstly, Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Anmol from class 5 and today my topic is simple tenses. So the first is present simple. Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Anmol from class 5 and today my topic is simple tenses. So the first is present simple. In present simple, we would know about the present time. The time is the time which is going. So the present simple has two helping words. Do and does. Do we use with it? Do we use with it? We, they, and the illusion. You, we, and they. And thus we use with this illusion like. So there is a present simple tense, a time which is going on. The helping verb we have two helping verbs, do and does. Do we use with who, we, and they, and does we use with this he, she, it, and any singular name like example Anmol. Anmol is a name, it's a singular name, so we use Anmol with does. Now I would take a sentence with name Anmol is Anmol reads a book. We use Anmol reads a book. It's an affirmative sentence. And we use S with reads. That means if we use S and ES only with singular name, singular things like he plays cricket, she cooks meal, it works hard. Like anything which we use with does and singular names and is and ES with a singular name and also a singular subject, singular adverb. Was going in the past is called past simple. And also it has only one helping verb which is did. Like we use did with any subjects like it would be a singular, it would be a plural, it would be a he, she, it, you, we, they, anything we use it. Like a sentence she if we're talking about the helping, if we're talking about the verbs form, in present simple we use the verbs first form, but in present past simple we use the verb second form like we put a rate in the second form of verb. She rate. It's a past simple tense. It's a past simple sentence. And if we change it in interrogative, interrogative and a negative, we will use the rate to be our helping verb. And also in past present simple, if we change it in negative and interrogative, we use our this helping verb like do and does. If I would change this sentence, Anmol reads a book. Anmol does not read a book. It's our negative sentence in present simple. but in past simple we say did not she did not read novel. He did not read novel because if we when we change it in interrogative or interrogative, our helping verb, which is the second form read, that will be converted in the first form read. She did not read novel.
Okay, very good. Very nice.
Assalamualaikum everyone. I am Vishwa Weltu from class metric. Today's presentation topic is present simple tense. Other present simple tense. There are two helping verbs of the present simple tense, do and does. Do used with the I, we, you, they, and any plural name. Does he, she, it, and singular name. And the structure of the present simple tense is subject plus helping verb first form and plus object. For example,
does he, she, it, we use singular tense. And the syntax of present simple tense is subject plus verb plus noun and object. For example, this is the affirmative sentence of present simple tense, and the affirmative sentence is this is the affirmative sentence, negative and negative.
So I will share today my topic is present simple tense and verb will and shall, and there is using all subjects and shall, I, we, and I, we, and syntax formula is subject plus adverb plus verb plus form plus object, and sentence I will play cricket. It's affirmative sentence.
Okay, very good. Nice.
Nice written.
First, we will present simple tense have two helping verbs, and it was do and was. We use do with I, we, I, we, and you, and thus we use with we, they, you, and they. And thus we use with we, she, it, and Ali. And the syntax of present simple tense is subject plus verb plus form plus object. And CD word of present simple tense is ho, ha, and he. First we make the affirmative sentence. And affirmative sentence is she reads. And negative of this sentence is she does not read. And interrogative of this sentence is does she read? And interrogative plus negative of this sentence is she does not read.
So very nice.
then we will work and we use the helping verb which we will and shall. And the second will be subject plus helping verb which is verb plus form plus object. And I make the sentence which the only this is the interrogative plus negative sentence and simple negative tense in the future simple tense will be Ali will not make. This is the future simple tense we study the will and shall. And will we use the I and we. And the another name we use the
The sentence is subject plus verb, first form and object. And in singular nouns we use S or ES. For example, he reads book. When we turn to negative, we do not use S in a negative or interrogative sentence. Okay.
Okay, very good.